Hey Shane Dawson, this is my video, a spot. Well, sorry about the lighting. It's 7 o'clock. It is, yeah it is. Time change, just shit, I forgot. Okay, this is gonna be my video response. But see, I don't use key things or anything. I use like this. Sorry, I'm trying to pull my coat. I do like this. Like this. Like this. Sorry, I don't use this. But watch. Let's do it in both. But yeah, when you use two, you sneeze twice. Just to let you know. As you can see, my eyes are watering now. And I have a scientific method for that. Why do you sneeze when you do that? It's because there's glands up here that connects to this, and like when you tickle them, that's how you sneeze when you breathe in dirty air. As you notice when you're around like someone that just got sick or something, you're breathing in their air, which like smoke or something, it tickles those glands up there, and it makes you sneeze. So when you're using that to tickle it, it makes you sneeze too. So bye.